As we've been discussing how AI is already making waves in various industries, you might be wondering what lies ahead. But let's cut to the chase, a shocking revelation that will make even the most seasoned business leaders sit up and take notice. According to McKinsey & Company's research, by 2025, as many as 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation. Yes, you heard that right, 800 million. The report also warns that AI-powered technologies will displace entire industries, forcing companies to adapt quickly or face extinction. Consider the transportation sector, for instance. Self-driving cars and trucks are already being tested on public roads. By 2025, it's estimated that over 50% of all passenger vehicles will be equipped with Level 3 autonomy, capable of operating without human intervention in certain conditions. This raises an alarming question: what happens to the millions of truck drivers, taxi operators, and car salespeople? The manufacturing industry is also on shaky ground. Advances in robotics and machine learning have led to significant efficiency gains, but at a cost. Over 40% of assembly line workers are at risk of being replaced by AI-powered robots. But it's not just about job losses, the impact will be felt across entire ecosystems. For instance, McKinsey estimates that by 2025, AI could lead to a 30% decline in demand for traditional retail spaces. The reverberations will be far-reaching, affecting everything from local economies to real estate markets. As business leaders, it's time to wake up and take notice of these seismic shifts. The future is not just about adopting AI, it's about preparing your organization for a world where human skills are redefined by machines. Will you be ready? As we stand at the cusp of a new decade, it's imperative for business leaders to grasp the magnitude of AI's impact on their industries. By 2025, experts predict that AI will have permeated every aspect of commerce, leaving no sector untouched. According to a recent study by Gartner, AI adoption rates are expected to reach an astonishing 85% by 2023, with automation and machine learning being the driving forces behind this transformation. The writing is on the wall: companies that fail to adapt to these changes risk becoming obsolete. A report by McKinsey estimates that up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to AI-driven automation, while another 140 million new roles will emerge, requiring workers with skills that are yet to be defined. The future of work is precarious, and business leaders must navigate this uncertain terrain to ensure their organizations remain relevant. In the world of finance, AI has already begun to disrupt traditional banking models. Companies like JPMorgan Chase have invested heavily in AI-powered chatbots, enabling customers to interact with their accounts through voice-activated interfaces. Similarly, in healthcare, AI-assisted diagnosis and treatment are revolutionizing patient care, with IBM's Watson Health Analytics platform being used by major hospitals worldwide. The automotive industry is also on the brink of a revolution, with autonomous vehicles poised to transform transportation networks. Companies like Waymo and Tesla are leading the charge, with their self-driving cars already logging millions of miles on public roads. As AI continues to advance at an exponential rate, we can expect even more industries to be disrupted by 2025. The implications for business leaders are profound. They must adapt quickly to a new reality where human skills are augmented by AI capabilities, rather than replaced by them. But the benefits of this shift far outweigh the risks. Increased productivity, reduced costs, and improved customer experiences will become the hallmarks of successful organizations in an AI-driven economy. The key development that's driving AI adoption and disruption is the rapid advancement in machine learning capabilities. According to a report by Gartner, by 2025, more than 80% of all businesses will have adopted some form of AI technology, up from just 14% today. This exponential growth is fueled by significant investments in research and development, with companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft pouring billions into AI R&D. One notable example is the emergence of deep learning algorithms, which have enabled machines to learn and improve on their own without human intervention. IBM's Watson, for instance, has been trained on over 1 million books and can now process and analyze vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take humans. This capability has far-reaching implications for industries like healthcare, finance, and education. But AI is not just about processing power, it's also about data-driven decision-making. Companies like Netflix and Amazon have already begun using AI to personalize customer experiences, often with astonishing results. A study by McKinsey found that AI-driven personalization can lead to a 10 to 30% increase in sales and revenue for businesses. Another critical development is the proliferation of edge computing, which enables AI applications to run on devices themselves rather than relying on centralized servers. This has significant implications for industries like manufacturing and logistics, where real-time data processing and analysis are crucial. A case in point is DHL's adoption of AI-powered drones for delivery and package tracking. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and edge computing capabilities, DHL can now track packages in real time, significantly reducing transit times and increasing customer satisfaction. These examples demonstrate the vast potential of AI to disrupt industries by 2025. As AI continues to advance at breakneck speed, businesses must start preparing themselves for a future where intelligent machines are an integral part of their operations. As we delve deeper into the world of AI and its impending disruption of industries by 2025, it's essential to examine the real-world implications. For instance, a recent report by Gartner predicts that by 2023, 40% of all customer service interactions will be handled by AI-powered chatbots, leaving human agents to focus on more complex issues. This is already happening with companies like Domino's Pizza and American Express, who have implemented successful AI-driven customer service platforms. Another area where AI is making significant inroads is in the realm of predictive maintenance. According to a study by McKinsey, AI can help reduce equipment downtime by up to 60%, resulting in substantial cost savings for industries like manufacturing and healthcare. For example, Siemens, a leading industrial automation company, has developed an AI-powered predictive maintenance platform that has reduced its customers' maintenance costs by as much as 30%. Furthermore, AI is revolutionizing the way companies approach data analysis. With the help of machine learning algorithms, businesses can now extract valuable insights from vast amounts of unstructured data, such as social media posts and customer reviews. This was a key factor in Coca-Cola's decision to implement an AI-driven marketing platform that helped them increase sales by 10% within the first year. The transportation industry is also not immune to AI disruption. Companies like Waymo and Tesla are already leveraging autonomous driving technology to revolutionize the way we travel. According to a report by Deloitte, up to 70% of new vehicles sold in major cities will be equipped with Level 2 or higher autonomy by 2025. As AI continues to transform industries at an unprecedented pace, business leaders must prioritize adaptation and innovation to remain competitive. This involves not only investing in AI technologies but also retraining employees to work alongside machines. The widespread adoption of artificial intelligence is about to hit critical mass. According to a recent report by McKinsey, AI-driven automation will have replaced approximately 73 million jobs globally by 2025, with the majority of those displaced workers being low-skilled and mid-skilled employees. This seismic shift has left many business leaders scrambling to adapt their strategies. The writing's on the wall. Industries like manufacturing, transportation, and customer service are already feeling the impact of AI-driven efficiency gains. The International Transport Forum estimates that by 2025, self-driving trucks will reduce fuel consumption by up to 30%, while autonomous delivery drones could save companies millions in logistical costs. However, it's not just about cost savings. AI is also poised to revolutionize the way we interact with businesses altogether. Chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, enabling companies like Amazon and Google to offer seamless customer experiences across multiple platforms. By 2025, an estimated 85% of customer interactions will be managed by AI-powered chatbots, according to a report by Oracle. But here's the thing, this isn't just about technology, it's about business model disruption. Companies that fail to innovate and adapt risk being left behind in the dust. In fact, a recent survey by PwC found that nearly 60% of executives believe AI will significantly impact their industry within the next 3 years. As AI continues to accelerate at breakneck speed, one thing is clear: business leaders must get ahead of this curve, and fast. It's no longer just about adopting technology, it's about fundamentally changing the way we operate. Will you be prepared for the wake-up call that AI brings? As we conclude our analysis, it's clear that AI has the potential to upend traditional business models and create new opportunities for innovation. By 2020,